Ready to transform your listening? The Apple AirPods Max just got a major upgrade, and they're absolutely stunning. Get ready for an immersive sound experience like no other. Block out the world with pro-level active noise cancellation, silencing up to twice the background noise. Or, switch to transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings. Dive into pure audio bliss. These over-ear headphones feature Apple's custom dynamic drivers for high-fidelity sound. Experience breakthrough computational audio with the H1 chip. Crafted for ultimate comfort, AirPods Max boast a breathable knit mesh canopy and plush memory foam ear cushions. They provide an exceptional, sound-sealing fit. Choose from 5 fresh colors, including the sleek midnight finish. Each pair comes with a color-matched smart case. Enjoy the magic of Apple connectivity. Simply place them near your device to pair instantly. They auto-pause when removed and seamlessly switch between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Precision control is at your fingertips with the digital crown. Plus, the new USB-C charging means one cable for all your Apple devices. Rated 4.6 stars by thousands, these are a game changer. Currently on sale for just $479.99, down from $549. But hurry, only a few are left in stock. Don't miss out on this incredible audio upgrade. Click the link in our bio to grab your Apple AirPods Max today before they're gone. Elevate your sound, elevate your life.